Daisy, first time here in Baguio! Quack, quack, quack. Hi, Daisy Duck. And we're here right now at the mansion. Waiting for Daddy. Hi, Ate Alex. Say hi, Ate Dai.
Hello, people.
Hello, Ate Aika. Nilalamig ka ba, Aika? How about si Day, oh, parang sanay na sanay sa aircon si Day. Ang taray ni Day. Oh, Day, fit check. Okay.
Beverly Hills, galing
Oh, again. Ulit.
Beverly Hills, galing USA, bigay ni ate and American Eagle.
Ano yung American Eagle?
The pants.
The pants. Ay, taray. And what else? What else are you wearing?
Pusini,
Kusini na?
galing Hong Kong.
The jacket. Ay, taray. And then what else? What else?
Nike.
Wow, nice.
Nakakaluwag-luwag sila. Or nabigyan lang. Galing po sa boss ko. Yung mga nag-sponsor.
So, we're here right now at the mansion. We're on our way to see the mansion kasi this is our first time with Lele. Kasi last time we went here, it was still with Alex. Now, we have Lele. So, we want Lele. We want to have a picture with Lele at the mansion. So, ayun. Now we're just walking and walking. So, last time we went here, merong nag-alok sa amin ng orange. Seedless. So, syempre kami naman, ay, seedless, pak. Gusto namin yan. Only to find out na pagdating doon sa near Burnham or sa market sa Baguio, it was being sold at a cheaper price. So, yun. What do you want to buy here?
Candy,
You want to buy some candies? What candies do you want to buy?
the one that we always buy in Shangri-La.
In Shangri-La. Shangri-La is far from here, Bob. So yun, malamig. In fairness, it's cold. I underestimated the weather. Ang mga baon ko, shorts. So good thing, napilit ako ni Daddy na magbaon ng pants and some jacket. Kasi kung hindi, naka-short sana ako ngayon. Giniginaw sana ako ngayon, Dad. Ayun, so we're here now. Lele! Let's go, Lele!
Hi guys, ayan, magpapicture kami. Yan guys, so tapos na ang photo ops doon sa The Mansion. Ito yung ito yung touristy spot na you'll hit two birds in one stone kasi doon sa likod, the right park. Ayun. Yung Baguio kasi is our happy place. For some reason, pagka bumabalik kami dito, lagi kaming happy. Oo, lagi kaming smiling and everything. Wait, pause ulit. Picture daw ulit. Hindi pa daw siya tapos mag-picture. So, wait again. Ayun. Tapos may pine tree. Yehey! Mami, say hi!
Hi!
Ayan.
You know what?
Hmm.
Kasi ang parating utos sa akin ni Mama, bilhan mo ko ng ref magnet. We will buy ref magnet for Mama.
Ayan. So, namimili na kami ng souvenirs. Day 1 pa lang, souvenirs sa ganda. Oo.
Si Daddy, trivia. Yung mga sizzling na mga ganyan, yung mga sa food court, yan ang mga gusto niya. Kahit alam niya naman na hindi masarap. On your left side,
Ay, dito yung yung haunted house. Madadaanan natin natin yan. Yeah.
Are you excited to see haunted house?
I'll be right back.
Yes. Oh, we will show you, okay?
They say
Ghost.
that there's ghost.
It's not monster. Monster is different from ghosts.
Hey guys. So, ayun. Ano yung pangalan yan? Nakalimutan ko. La Peralta ba? Ewan ko. Josie Sings na ngayon.
Oh my God.
Ayan, ginawa nilang
No,
restaurant.
it's not Joseph. It's Joseph.
Joseph's. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Would you dare to eat? Well, takot ako eh. Wag na naniniwala kasi ako dun sa mga dad.
Tabi-tabi po.
Tabi-tabi po. Naniniwala ako dun sa mga sinasabi nila na, naku, baka may mabit-bit ka. Oo, yeah. Naniniwala ako. So, I'd rather stay and eat somewhere else than try Joseph's. I'm good.
Picture outside. Picture.
So serene. Nakaka-happy. See? Oh, we're now here sa Starbucks. Dito sa Camp John Hay. And look what we got. Dito pa namin siya nakuha. Kasi we've been eyeing this dun sa mga Starbucks na malapit sa amin, like sa office, near our house, pero wala talaga kaming makuha. So luckily here, dito pa namin siya makuha sa Baguio.
Can I open?
Oh, you
So, meron naman palang logo dito sa harap. Nakikita ba? Ayun o. Yung logo.
Ano, inaanto ka na naman? Cinderella ka? Ang order ko sa'yo, malamig para lamigin ka lalo. Hindi na gusto ko malamig.
Laban sa...
Uy, eto guys. Si Dai is our trusted assistant for almost 6 years now. Almost 6 years now. There you go. Tapos, dati wala siyang boyfriend. Ngayon may boyfriend na siya. Ang pangalan boyfriend mo, Dai? Dali lang. Hello, G. O, dali, i-hi mo.
Hi, GMP.
Say, I love you, babe.
I love you, babe. See you
Buisit ka. See you soon. See you soon daw. Bye-bye. So, for those who are asking, nasan si Leyley? Leyley is sleeping. Andito si Leyley, my baby girl. Late kasi siya natulog last night and then maaga siyang nagising kanina. Ayan si Dai. Dai. O, dali. Starbucks. Basahin mo nga. Spell Starbucks na.
STARBU
B-O.
CKS Starbucks. Kape-kape tayo dito. Malamig ang panahon. Tama.
Say bye-bye kay babe.
Bye-bye, babe. See you soon.
See you in 5 years. Ayun si Aika. Ito, bawal pa magjowa. Bawal pa. Ano to, Dai? Anong tawag dito?
Hindi ko alam, basta para siyang bread.
Anong bread?
Hindi ko din
Ang
alam.
tawag dyan, Dai? French toast.
French toast. Sushi.
Sabihin mo nga.
Parang
Dali, sabihin mo, ano yan, Dai?
French toast.
Paano kainin ng French toast? You put butter first, ha? Lalagyan mo ng butter. Tapos lalagyan mo nitong jam, ha? Lagyan nyo yan. Or, lagyan nyo nitong honey. Okay? Oh,
Thank you so
enjoy.
much.
Ano, mamaya ikaw magbabayad yan. Salary deduction yan, Dai, ha?
Hindi mo pipuli.
Kain, guys. Kain.
Yung
Where are we heading? You said you wanted to walk with Mom.
I want to mommy
Why?
with strawberry head.
Show them the strawberry head. Hello, strawberry head.
We have a strawberry with us.
Wait, stop pushing Mommy. I might, roll over there. You want Mommy? Oh, that's an acorn. I see an acorn. Over there. See? Over there, acorn. Isn't it an acorn?
Yeah?
Oh, I'm right or am I right?
You're right.
I'm right.
An acorn. Mommy.
Where are we going?
I don't know. Let's walk very far.
Very far. Daddy will look for us.
Don't worry. It's going to be a piece of cake.
Don't na. Daddy will look for us. Pogi.
Uy,
Ay, wow.
parang sarap. Ilang gugutom na.
Ano nang gusto mo ito? You wanna eat there? Ay, Daddy, oh! Si Ninay!
Oo, ano?
Okay.
Hey, dumating na yung first set ng food. Ito yung pasta, ito yung mozzarella, chicken, tapos, what did we order? Pizza pa, no, mami? Pizza. Ayun lang.
Don't like
Sa drinks. Okay, kain na kami, guys. Okay, check tayo ng mga pastries. Kasi sikat dito yung raisin bread. Check natin. So, yan. Yan yung nangyayari. So,
Open na.
this is what happens every day. Ayan. So, the bunso and the panganay. Who will win kaya? Okay. Okay. Who will win? So, this is where Daddy comes. So, hold the camera. Oh, give to Daddy. No more cookies. Daddy will open. Okay, okay. Whoever kisses Daddy first will get the cookie.
Lele! Dali! Bili si Dada.
Since you get to kiss Daddy on both of you, I will both give you cookies, okay?
Wow.
Relax. Okay, wait. Because Ate is a bigger sister, she gets one. Wait, I will give you. And then the baby gets one.